We are going to deploy this project on Vercel. Let's follow step by step. I will show you how to deploy your React Next.js project on Vercel. As you can see, this is the complete front-end source code. And now we are going to make it live on the internet. The first step is to create a new repository on GitHub. So I am opening GitHub and click on new repository. I will name it School Management System. And make the visibility private. Create the repository. Once the repository is created, GitHub provides us with the command needed to connect our local project with this repository. Now I am opening the terminal inside my project folder. First I will initialize Git using git init. Next I will add all project files to GitHub using git add. Now I will create my first commit. Git commit first commit. Enter it. Now all the source code is committed successfully. After that, I will connect my local project to the GitHub repository using the remote URL provided by GitHub. Copy it and paste in the terminal. Now repository is connected with our local machine. Now click on Git push. Copy this command and paste here and enter it. As you can see, all project files have now been successfully uploaded to GitHub. Now let's move to Vercel. I am opening Vercel and click on Add New Project. Since my GitHub account is already connected, Vercel automatically display my repository. I will select the school management system repository and click Import. Vercel automatically detects that is a next application. Now simply click on Deploy. Vercel is now installing dependencies, building the project and deploying it to production. After a few moments, the deployment is completed successfully. As you can see, our school management system frontend is now live and working perfectly. Congratulations! We have successfully deployed our front-end application on Vercel.